the residence time T is given by the concentration of the iron per liter in ocean by concentration of iron in the river water all rivers together, huh? That means input all rivers together. So this is input, this is upon the reserve upon the input. So how much, suppose concentration of iron per liter, how much sodium is there per liter of the ocean water, by how much same iron is being supplied by the river water per liter. So input, reserve. This is called residence time. So this is telling, I just forgot that paper, I'll just send it. For sodium, it is 10 years. Whereas calcium, it is only 1 year. Like this, different elements have been arranged, So sodium has maximum residence time. For 10 years, it can stay in the water. It is reserved up in the supply. So if reserve is more, this value will be more. That is it. Sodium reserve is more.
Why is
Huh?
on what factor is depend?
What factor? So depends upon how fast. That is different. That is the chemist are asked. So what he says, is a remover. He says, so the residence time of larger ions, which is larger, sodium or calcium? Larger ions. What he says, that occurs fast in the periodic table. Residence with larger ions that occurs fast in the periodic table has more residence time than the smaller can you just recall the periodic table? सोडियम इधर क्या आता है? पोटेशियम। इधर क्या आता है? रुबिडियम। इधर स्ट्रोंशियम। लाइक दिस इतना तो है नहीं। ओके, इधर क्या आता है? मैग्नीशियम। इधर इधर क्या आता है? इधर क्या आता है? अरे और आगे मत जाओ, तुम भी गलती करोगे मेरा, क्योंकि आई डिड ब्रिंग दैट maybe whatever you just compare these things, this has more residence time, than that. That is what is there. This has more residence time than this. So larger the ions, the residence time. Sodium, potassium, potassium has more residence time than calcium, something like that. But you just compare the sodium, we are least bothered about potassium. Why the maximum concentration is sodium and chlorine? That is the salinity. We do not measure the salinity of seawater with potassium chloride or sodium chloride. Why sodium stays for more time than other ions? Because it has more residence time. That is it.
Chlorine and sodium.
Chlorine
also has high residence.
Chlorine, yeah. Chlorine has also, chlorine will come where? This side, na? Yeah. Chlorine sulfate will come here, na? Yeah. Amongst the anions, Chlorine is the largest, so it will stay for longer time.
Why does potassium have very low?
Potassium.
Very
So
low-
what is telling? Maybe sodium is more than potassium. If you compare these two things,
Sodium is 1.076
No,
and
sodium,
potassium, the size of
potassium is very less.
potassium.
Potassium is very less.
Size is also more.
Supply is also less.
Yeah.
Potassium and sodium, if you compare, which has more amount in the river water? रॉक में कौन सा ज्यादा होता है? सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम से. ग्रेनाइट में कौन सा ज्यादा है? पोटेशियम ज्यादा है कि सोडियम ज्यादा है? कैसे?
हाँ, potassium. Yes.
पोटास फैक्टर ज्यादा है कि अल्फाइड ज्यादा है?
There is a platinum element.
धरती में ज्यादा प्लाजियोक्लेज है. कहीं भी ग्रेनाइट भी हो कितना है उसमें है सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम में प्लाज इज मोर. जानता कि नहीं बताओ. कोई भी वो एंटर अर्थ क्रस्ट यू नो इफ यू कंपेयर द प्लाजियोक्लेजेस आर मोर on the supply is less potassium supply. You don't understand this part now, huh? So all these things is little repeated. I forgot the paper, you know. Salinity depends on what? Depends on one is the input, as I told you. Two, we discuss this point. Evaporation. Evaporation. Third, freezing. Fourth, freezing of ice, water, melting of ice. Can you tell me the salinity of, first point is input, the salinity of Bay of Bengal is more or Arabian Sea is more? Arabian Sea is more. Whose salinity is more? So far the input is concerned. Huh? Input you are understanding, na? Reverse, huh? These are the reverse. These are the reverse. So where rivers are more? In Bay of Bengal or in Arabian Sea?
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. So salinity will be less, na?
Yes, sir.
Bay of Bengal, rivers are more. We have two major rivers apart from Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. All these rivers start from the western side and goes into east. So these rivers are very long, almost perennial. The larger rivers, whereas those are feeding to Arabian Sea, they are very small rivers, like only Indus River. Otherwise, west coast rivers are very small, except Narmada. Maximum rivers are flowing towards east. These things are discussed in tectonic class. Why rivers are flowing towards east? Less rivers are towards east. This is a tectonic phenomenon. That is why salinity is less. Arabian Sea salinity is more. Arabian Ocean you are right, Arab Sagar. Salinity is more.
So, you said input.
Huh?
You said input. What do input impact?
Reverse, na? Input means reverse.
Water or sediment?
Fresh water.
Water, fresh water. हम लोग वो लेते ही नहीं, सेडिमेंट्स लेते ही नहीं. सेडिमेंट्स आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड. सेडिमेंट डू नॉट कंट्रीब्यूट. सेडिमेंट में क्या होगा उसमें? तो सिलिका एंड सेल ना प्लास्टिक पार्टिकल्स ना. सेडिमेंट्स आर मोस्टली प्लास्टिक पार्टिकल्स. बट द डिजॉल्व्ड वंस यू नो दे प्रोवाइड सैलिनिटी. लाइमस्टोन किससे डिपॉजिट निकलता है? डिजॉल्व्ड आयंस, नॉट फ्रॉम द सेडिमेंट्स. Understood? So this is one point. Evaporation. If evaporation is high, so salinity will be high. Salinity will be high. salinity will be high. If I just ask you, let us take the 30-degree belt. 30-degree belt and equatorial belt, where salinity will be high? Equatorial salinity will be high. Low pressure zone, so maximum evaporation. But here, little less. Then you have to combine, with this input क्या है नहीं है. I will show you map. It's okay. Then freezing and melting of ice, which will give more salinity.
Freezing.
Melting of ice will do what? Will decrease the salinity. Melting of ice will decrease the salinity. Decrease the salinity. But freezing of rocks, opposite. Freezing of water will increase the salinity. ठीक है ना? अभी I'll just show you a map if it is there, Then we will discuss how the salinity is distributed.
Sir,
Tell me.
so point 1 and 2 are contradicting the Bay of Bengal salinity.
Point out.
So,
See, you cannot consider one point over the other, combination. Which one you are telling?
it's because evaporation is more in there.
Evaporation is more in case of Bay of Bengal, isn't it? Why? Because it is hotter. That is what we discussed, the cyclone. That is a more cyclone takes place. So evaporation is more. है तो evaporation तो बहुत है उधर, but input कितना है? Input उससे भी ज़्यादा है. Input उससे भी ज़्यादा है. The entire Brahmaputra, Ganges, all these 5 rivers, the continental rivers, all are perennial rivers. That is why. Relative term, you have to combine these two things and think. When you are talking about cyclone, you think about temperature only, not the salinity. Salinity को वहाँ consider मत करो, only temperature किधर जा रहा है. Understand? Now let us see whether the map is there or not. And green color are low salinity. Red color are high salinity. Color is okay na? Where salinity is high. The saline belts are where? Red color ones. You see? Yes, sir. Salinity high. Red, yellow. See? Salinity is high here.
What is it?
Huh? So these are isolated spots. Here why it is high? Which place we are seeing, you just see. Let us come to India. India part आप देखो इधर. Indian part में Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Can you see this part ना? Bay of Bengal salinity is low. That's what we discussed na. 34. 34 is the salinity. But 36 is salinity here. This side, Arabian Sea. Yellow and understood na? Same phenomenon here. Now let us go to one more spot, here. What is this place? Mediterranean Ocean, na? This is not here. This is here. Why it is high? This is a landlocked basin, na? So evaporation is more. They are landlocked. So whatever comes evaporates, the rest is precipitated there. So salinity is high. This is salinity is high. This is which place? Mexican Gulf, Pacific part, na? Atlantic. 37. Top 37, Highest point I think here.
Brazil.
Now can you tell me the lowest part occurs where? Pole. Pole has the lowest salinity. क्यों? Why pole has lowest salinity? 28. कैसे एट्रीब्यूट करेंगे आप? Precipitation is more. Precipitation is more. freezing of water increases the salinity. In the pore what happens? Tell me थोड़ा बताओ थोड़ा.
Less melting.
Less melting. Melting of ice decreases the salinity.
Less evaporation.
Is that happening? Melting of the ice. So why it is so low?
Less evaporation.
Less
Evaporation.
less evaporation. That is the reason. Less evaporation. Evaporation होता ही नहीं होगा. Everything freezes, you know. So just you go by one criteria, you may not be able to explain many things. So you have to see many things together, you know. So evaporation is very less in this case. That is why the salinity is so low in these regions. Okay.
Also the source of ions are less at
Huh?
source of ions are less. There is
Iron.
ions.
Which iron?
Ions not
Calcium, magnesium. These are.
look like because they are very
So weathering of coal area is less.
So input you are telling, na? See,
input of ions.
no, whatever goes into the water, you know, whatever goes into the water, you are telling
If in
less iron goes.
Yeah.
The concentration of iron in the river water is less.
because
That is what you are telling.
water is coming from
First of all, there is no continent. You say there is no continent. There continent है ही नहीं. Polar region में तो continent है ही नहीं. Atlantic region only Atlantic is the continent and mostly snow covered. You can see the weathering is very less. Weathering is very less. That you can say, and this side there is no continent. So like this, you know, you have to combine many factors to explain this salinity. Okay. Now, you understood this picture, na? I can send this picture to you.
Salinity is